Hi guys, today I got my new camera coffee mug. So I am in a mood to make a vlog. So I've thought of having coffee first and then doing a vlog for my makeup. I've just washed my face and I've put a little primer and I'll take a sip of my coffee. It's really awesome. I like the mug. I got it from Amazon today. It's really nice. It is the shape of a camera lens. It's really nice. This is a must have for everyone, if whoever is a coffee lover. You see, so nice. They have, actually it comes in two styles. They have, one is without the cover. It's just directly you open the lid and just have it and close it, shut the shutter. And there is one which comes with the lid on top to cover the shutter. So I got the one without the shutter, but it's really nice. You see this? So you can take a sip and you can close the shutter from here. So I'm going to keep this and I'm going to start doing my makeup. So as I said, I just put my primer. I use this primer. I'll show you the primer I used. I use this primer. This is a Blue Heaven primer that I used. And with this brush. And now I'm going to be applying some foundation. I'm thinking of wearing the Nykaa foundation. This is Nykaa foundation, my real favorite. It is a Skin Shield one, anti-pollution foundation. This is a very good foundation if you are going out and you're traveling or you're moving around. This is a very nice one. So this is a triple action formula, active action formula, anti-pollution, deep hydration. So I'm taking this. I don't know what shade it is. It's a shade 02. It's a shade 02. So I'm just going to put it on my hand palette. And I'm going to be doing my all over of this. Today I was in a mood since my coffee mug came. It's been gifted by my son and daughter, since they know that their mother likes to have a cup of coffee. I'm now spreading it evenly all over my face with this. So you can see I'm like all over done. Try to put it under the eye because that is the area which you need to conceal the most. Only if you have a problematic under eye area. And also these places, which is the side of you. Don't forget your neck area. And then you can start with your sponge. I have this beauty blender. What we're doing is my beauty blender. I feel the Nykaa products are really nice. You must try them. They suit the Indian skin a lot. Like Lakme. Nykaa also has products which are very suiting the Indian skin. And then I just cover the eye area, nicely blend your foundation. Foundation is all about blending. The more you blend, the better the outcome comes out. So it is all about your blending of your foundation. If you still feel, I think you can use your hands just to dab and give that finished effect on your eyes, and because there are certain areas which the beauty blender also cannot do what your fingertips can do. So you see, this is all blended well. The selection of your foundation has to be appropriate according to your skin tone, and then you need to, the application and the blending has to be proper. So you see, I think the finished effect with the hand came out really nice. It has just absorbed in my skin. This is what we want out of a good foundation, that it should just absorb inside the skin and not leave any patches on your skin. And later, if you just, you can use your hands to just merge and just use it like you put your cream on your face. So a good foundation will always get absorbed in your skin. It will not leave any patches. Okay, so I'm done with my foundation. Now I'm going to be using my concealer. I have a concealer which is from Swiss Beauty. I will show you. This is from Swiss Beauty. I'll be using. This is a concealer. It's a liquid concealer. Just the under eye area. And that's it. And we're done to, then just go and blend it. I'm going to be using this pointy blender of mine so that it just blends well under the area or eye area. You see that? It is blending very well. And this is done. It's a little area of this one. So you see that I have done the blending under my eye, concealing rather, and now we are ready to go for my eyeshadow. Since I'm home and I'm not going anywhere, I'm just going to be using a very light shade which is going to match my outfit. Most probably I'm going to use a blue since I have a little blue. And so let's see. First I'm going to be like, let me just use the Nykaa compact powder so that it gives a finished look. I'm just going to use this powder. I've used a lot, so you can see that. In summers you need this because it's too sweaty. This gives a more finished look. I will not be using a contour stick today because I'm home. But if you're going out and you need to, do contouring, you can use the contouring. You can do it. I will not be doing, since I'm just doing it for home. Home, I'm not going out anywhere. So you see, it's all done and it's giving me a very nice and a dry look. It is not too moist. Otherwise, yeah, I'm not using the contour stick, but if you guys want to use, this is a new contour stick which I got from K Beauty Cosmetics. It's a very nice contour stick. You can, you just use it on your cheek, highlight cheek, in your nose area and your this area. This area, this and your this and your nose, yeah. And also on your jawline. But I'm not using, since I'm not, but this is a very nice contour stick which you can get from any good cosmetic store. which is from K Cosmetics that I use. This is K1. Yeah, this is K, and this is a shade which is medium. There are 3-4 shades that come. You can see what suits your skin. It has to be a tone darker. Obviously it should be medium. If you're fair toned, you should have medium. If you are a little dusky tone, you can use a little darker shade. So it's all depends on your skin tone. And now I also got this highlighter. This is a very nice K Cosmetics. I got from K Cosmetics a very pretty highlighter. It is a champagne color highlighter. You can see it's a very nice champagne color highlighter. So if you want to use this, you can use just just a little. It's not bad. You can just use this brush, the flat brush, and just do a little of this area. Just to highlight this area. I like this color. It's a very pretty champagne color. It's really a gorgeous champagne color. It's a very pretty highlighter, and it can be used as a blusher if you want to. You see the difference? It's really nice. So this is a champagne color from K Cosmetics. And I'm going to be now doing a little bit of my eyeshadow. Rather, I'm going to be using an eyeliner. Probably I'm going to be using, I have these two. One is from, again, it is from Swiss Beauty. This one is an eyeliner, and this is an eye pencil. This is from Nykaa. This is from Swiss Beauty. So probably I'm going to use a soft pencil. I'm not in a mood for an eyeliner. So I'm just going to do my eyes. This is a very pretty and soft pencil for the eyes, very nice. You can use it on as a eyeliner, or you can use it as a, or you can even use it on your eye waterline if you want to, but I'm not using. So it's up to you. You can use it here, you can use it little here if you want to. That's it. Since I feel that there is a little left, so I might just use this also. Let me see how it looks. I feel eyeliners really define your eyes very beautifully. The areas which are left by your eye pencil can be covered by the eyeliner. Certain times that area is not done, so you see it's filled in by the eyeliner. So we are done with that, and I'm going to be using doing my eyebrows with the eyebrow brush, and I'm going to be using this one, the eyebrow palette. I'm going to be using a powder eyebrow to do my eyebrows. I feel the powder one I really like. Even the pencils are nice. The eyebrow pencils that you have from Nykaa and Lakme and all the other brands, they are very nice. But somehow I feel that the powder one in the summers really comes out nice. So the areas that are left, and the areas that you feel the hair is less on your eyebrows, you can just fill that with your powder and just brush it. So you see that I'm done. It's filled in all the areas which were left, which I felt were left. You see that? Yeah. So the eyebrows are done, and now what we need to do is probably now I'm going to be wearing my kajal. I am going to wear a kajal. Let me check what I have. See, I have a very nice Swiss Beauty kajal. And that is also a very pretty one. It's a gel kajal. I'm going to just sharpen my gel kajal first because it's almost finished. I have a sharpener. I'm going to sharpen my gel kajal. And that I'm done. So you see, after sharpening it comes out so nice, and then even the effect of the kajal comes out very nice. I think you must sharpen your lip liners, because then only you're defining, and your eyeliners, then only the definition comes out very nice. They are able to define your features better. So you see, now this is done. I am going to be, this is kajal from Swiss Beauty, and then I'm going to be using my, I have this transparent mascara which I'm going to be using. I have this is from Swiss Beauty, a transparent mascara, a gel mascara. It helps to separate your eyelashes, and also it gives a good effect. You see that? It just helps you to separate the strand of your eyelashes. Each strand gets separated, and it's in gel form. It's really nice. You can do it on your lower eyelashes also.